Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial again, and this tutorial I am going to cover about the REST APIs. What is REST and how REST is work. So let's get started. So REST is representational state transfer protocol. So what is REST? In an architectural style, it's providing a standard between computer system on the web, making it easier for system to communicate with each other. So client and server is communicating with the help of REST protocols. And how it's communicate. Suppose you have a client and server. So it is communicating via client and server with the help of HTTP protocol. So as a definition, you can, if you say what is REST, so it is a stateless protocol. So what is stateless? It means that it doesn't matter what is happening in client side, and it doesn't matter in happening in server side. So both the code are separate. So client will not impact the server code, and server will not impacting the client code. And if any changes happening in client side, it will not impacting to server, and if any changes happening in server side, it's not impacting to client. So that is the protocol which is called as REST. So basically we are doing a CRUD operations in a REST. So create, read, update and delete in a server. So in a REST we are defining the endpoints. So take an example, we have a URL like http 3ri and API. So http colon 3ri will be a domain name, and API will make can folder where your code has been deployed, and students is a basically a URL and also called as endpoints. So in REST API we have a endpoints. So how do we utilize those endpoints? So we have a HTTP methods: get, post, put and delete. So let's learn what are the get, post, put and delete protocol, and what is the meaning of those protocols. So let's take an example of customer. So now we have a customers as an endpoint. So if we have a protocols request and response, so if we are requesting for a data of customer, we are getting all the data of a customer, and let's suppose we have a ID, name, phone number, everything of customer we are getting through a get protocol and get APIs. Next one is post. So now if you want to create a new customer, then we are going to use post API, and the API we are passing the data as in a body, and we are always getting a response which is a new customer has been created. So this is a post. So it used when we are creating a new customer. But if already customer is there and I want to update the customer details, then we are going to use put protocol. Now suppose I want to update the details of a customer ID1 with the name, some name. So I should use update protocol, which is a put protocol, and delete, which is simple. If I want to delete a customer one, then I can use the delete protocol. So this how this all four protocol works in REST, and we are going to implement those protocols and pattern which we are used in HTTP modules earlier. Now we are going to use in ExpressJs, which we are going to cover in next video session. So for this video I am done from my end. Thanks for watching our video. I am continuing in our next session with the ExpressJs. Thanks.